In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write prompts for Asana AI Studio. We'll walk through where to find the prompt field inside Asana, and then how to craft prompts that give you accurate, useful results every time. First, log into your Asana dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Projects. From there, select the specific project where you want to use AI Studio. It's important to choose the right project, because the rules and prompts you set up will apply within that project's workflow. Once your project is open on the main screen, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Click on that. A drawer will slide open from the right side of the screen, showing you different ways to configure your project. In this drawer, find the option called Rules. Click on Rules and then click the Add button. When the rules page loads, you'll see a dedicated field where you can write your AI prompt. This is where the real power of Asana AI Studio comes in. In this prompt field, start by clearly stating the action you want the AI to perform. For example, you might ask it to generate new tasks, create subtasks, or write summaries. Being explicit about the action reduces confusion and leads to more accurate outputs. Next, include the context or trigger that should activate this AI behavior. You can phrase it like for a new project intake task, or when a task is moved to ready for review. This tells the AI when and where its instructions should apply within your workflow. Then specify the output format you want. Describe what the AI should include in its response, such as task names, descriptions, assignees, due dates, or particular custom fields that matter to your team. Try to keep your prompt concise but complete. Include all the information the AI needs without unnecessary wording. One useful technique is to request numbered outputs. For example, ask the AI to list tasks as item 1, 2, 3, and so on. This makes it much easier to map each line back to Asana tasks or subtasks. If you often work with multi-step processes, mention optional subtasks in your prompt so the AI can break work down more effectively. You can also reference team roles like marketing, design, or QA, especially if assignees are important. Finally, define deadlines or timeframes, such as within 7 days or by the end of the week, so the AI can generate realistic schedules. Once your prompt looks clear and complete, you're ready to save the rule and start using Asana AI Studio in your day-to-day work.